Hi, I'm Sona Gasparian, makeup artist and beauty expert. I've been on YouTube for about 6 years, so I love discovering new makeup products and beauty products that I can share with my community. And that is why I love the BeautyFIX box. I love it because it's got full-size products. It also has deluxe sample size that you can discover and test out. And today, I thought we can just dive in and see what's in the December Winter Wonderland box. So the first product is a full-size product, and it's the Aven Rich Hydrating Cream. And this is especially great for colder months like this because it's really thick and hydrating. I love having this actually near me at all times because I sometimes even use it on my hands. That's how amazing it feels. So I first discovered this brand when I was in France. I visited their pharmacies and the lady was raving about it. And so I tried it and fell in love with it. Again, it's just so rich and hydrating. You will love this on your skin. So the next product is also a full-size product, and this is by Harry Josh, and this is the Carbonate Tail Comb. And it's great because it's so compact, so travel friendly. You can always have it in your bag. There's two things I love about it. So the first one is that it's got a really pointy end, so you can really section your hair if you're styling it, or even if you just want that perfect part. And then I love that it's also like so fine that you can really comb your flyaways away. I can't see myself now, but you can really do that, and I just again love that it's compact so you can always have it on you. So the next product is a deluxe size product. This is by Tarte Cosmetics, and it's their Lash Paint Mascara. This looks super black, and I love that the bristles are so well separated. It looks like it's really gonna separate the lashes and give it a lot of length, and I love a really black mascara. So anything that looks really pigmented, I'm all about it. I can't wait to try this one. And another thing I love about deluxe size mascaras is that mascaras dry out so fast, so it's actually kind of nice to just try a new one, and then if it dries out, just move on to the next one, you know? Next, we have another deluxe product. This is the OverSo Nourishing Cream, and this one is a anti-aging cream, so it's definitely a little bit different, and it's great for fine lines and wrinkles, and it's also really good for redness. So if you've got redness or irritation, it's really good for that. Next, we have a Dermablend Loose Setting Powder, and look how cute this is. I'm just gonna have this in my bag at all times because I just wanna be shine free. And I love this one because it doesn't clog your pores, it's long lasting, and check this out, it's waterproof. Powder that's waterproof, I'm all about it. Next, we have the Murad Prebiotic 3-in-1 Multi-Mist, and this is great because you can prime, hydrate, and set. So I like using this before my makeup, and then of course I like to use it to set my makeup. And it's also great because you can put it in your bag, and if you need some extra hydration throughout the day, just take it out and mist away. Next, we have a product by Virtue, which is actually new to Dermstore, and I'm really excited to try this. This is the Restorative Treatment Mask, and it's supposed to be really good for color-treated hair, which, hello, I color my hair a little too often, and I'm really excited to try this. And this is supposed to give you lots of shine and hydration, and we can all use a little bit of that. Next, we have a hairstyling product by Alterna, and this is the Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. It's just a styling product that you put on your damp hair and then you blow dry your hair for more of a smooth and voluminous finish. And this is good for medium to thick hair, which I have really thick hair, so goodbye frizz. Lastly, we have the classic OG Erno Laszlo product. This is the Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar, and this is like one of the main products that they're known for. It's just great for acne-prone skin. It's also great for exfoliating and hydrating. And I really love this little mini size, which is great for, again, traveling and just having it with you at all times, especially if you're gonna go to the gym or something. I feel like this is gonna come in handy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed unboxing with me, and if you wanna subscribe to the box, it is $24.95, so you can go ahead and subscribe because all of the products in the box are valued at over $100, so it's definitely a great deal. Visit beautyfix.com to learn more and subscribe today.